Yes, today government formally reported to us in the NGNC meeting about the cushioning allowance which was accorded by the President. Yes, we really appreciate the gesture by the head of state, but it is unfortunate that it falls far too short of our expectations, and also it will not address our problem of incapacitation. Yes, again, government today brought a revised offer on cost of living adjustment of 300 million from the 160 million which they offered last week. And in our view as negotiators, this falls far short of our demand and will not restore the value of our incomes to the period before October 2018 pricing madness. Meanwhile, we are going to consult our constituency, which is going to give us direction. Thank you.
Thank you very much.